another day in Italy. Due to certain circumstances and which involved some quarantine and COVID. We are still in Italy, which of course I like. And on the way to another team, we are having a short stop at one of the smaller teams here. They actually operate a business for, they actually rent out little machinery like this in the background and sell all kinds of hardware for construction, and they pave roads. Unfortunately, they don't speak that much English, but we figured out something. So we have two tractors here, and as you can see, it's another Piccolini, but in this case they kept the original engine, which is a little 2-liter two-cylinder, and this little thing makes 5,000 RPM. It is turbocharged. I will show you a video. I took some.
Sei cresciuta tantissimo. Piano piano faccio esperienza anch'io. Grazie, ci vediamo in finale.
So it does pretty well. I will talk to the guys later. And then we have what they call a Pro Sport. So again, a small cubic inch Pro stock, single charger. In this case, a John Deere, European model, 3130, 124 by 32 radials, so it says 650, 75R, 32. The Green Hurricane, also intercooled, turbo. Yeah, this is what they are having fun with.
Vai che andiamo! Vai Michael! Su di tiri!
What is your name?
Mi chiamo Michael Soffiatti e siamo qua di Castelnuovo sotto Reggio Emilia. Abbiamo due trattori, una è la più piccolina che è questa qua, e poi dopo c'è il John Deere che è un 3130 che corre nella Pro Sport 36.
For how long have you been into the tractor pulling?
Ho cominciato con la piccola qui nel 2017 e il John Deere è stato fatto nel 2019.
Okay, so that was the little one in 2017 and the other one in 2019, correct?
Yes.
Okay,
Correct.
I'm getting better with Italian. Numbers and technology.
Okay.
Food I still have to learn. Well, pizza and prosciutto, yeah, and salami. Okay.
So,
Yes. So, what do you think, how many horsepower do you make with that two-cylinder?
secondo me saremo intorno, non lo so, ai 150 cavalli.
10 times.
150.
Yeah, sounds well, which is good. The original horsepower is 30 of this.
27.
27 horsepower, so yeah, not bad. Given that this two-cylinder, of course, has a long stroke and is not really made for high RPM. But you said it makes 5,000.
Yes. It's so difficult for two-cylinder.
Yeah. What fuel pump is this? Did you change anything on the fuel pump?
Sì, nella pompa sono stati cambiati i pompanti, sono stati messi dei pompanti di 10 maturati e gli iniettori.
Okay. So
La pompa è la sua.
elements and injectors. Yeah, cool. All right. Shall we go over to the John Deere? So this is the Green Hurricane.
Yes.
What?
Yes, it is so little.
This one here, yes, is a European model and the other is an American.
Esatto.
Exactly, yeah. What have you changed here?
Qui è stata sportata, aveva la pompa rotativa, è stata messa una pompa in linea, ha aggiunto una turbina perché il motore era aspirato, ok, e intercooler, e poi dopo...
That's it. So basically he said he changed from a rotary pump to an inline pump.
Yes.
Put a HX55 turbocharger on it, a
Yes,
whole set,
55.
and an intercooler.
Intercooler.
And for the rest it's not so much work on the cylinder head and the valves.
The cylinder, no, the piston. Work piston. Injector.
So pistons are changed, injectors are changed,
Yes.
and for the rest pretty much a stock engine. What is
Free disc, include free disc, frizione a 3 dischi.
Yeah, 3-disc clutch.
Okay. Resto it's original.
And for the rest it's original. Yes, but that's nice. Are you the only one here? I see more people.
Volete venire anche voi?
Fabio, see. So this is the complete team.
Yes.
Your name is Fabio and you were Letizia, right. Okay, so and no question who does the work here. All right, thank you. Is there anything else you would like to have on the video?
No,
Oh, short, but yeah, okay. Well then, grazie mille.
Grazie a voi.
And see you in September.
Yes, 4 September.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Let's close the hood, and I think this is the most fancy way I've ever seen a hood open in a pulling tractor. Wait for it. Lifts the front and then the back. Okay, and close again. Isn't that looking professional?